Preview before and after color adjustment. Many people skip through the video and just look at the final result. But here, you'll learn exactly what makes your design more professional. Watch the before and after of this color adjustment and judge the difference for yourself. Solid color adjustment. To achieve a well-balanced color combination, I used a solid color layer in navy blue. By reducing the opacity, I was able to control the color adjustment. For better blending, I changed the layer mode from normal to multiply to make it look more natural. Selective color adjustment. Now let's move to selective color, where we can fine-tune the colors precisely. In the cyan section, I adjusted cyan and yellow to make the background cooler and more appealing. For blues, I added a bit of magenta to create more depth in the colors. In the black section, I tweaked the black values to increase contrast and make the image look more realistic. Final note: these techniques are essential for making your designs more professional. The full mockup tutorial link is in the description. Make sure to check it out and practice. If you find these tutorials useful, be sure to share them with your friends and let me know what tutorials you'd like, and I'll prepare them for you.
Ideas, graphics, and there's graphics.